All right, I'm just so excited because I gain an access for OpenGoSim installation. So OpenGoSim is an open source software for a software simulation, and you know it is specialized more into CO2 storage and also hydrogen storage, which is very important. So once again, it's a free open source reservoir simulation software for academic purpose. So hopefully we can learn many things from here. So if you're interested to know more about OpenGoSim, if you want to get it for your individual research, you want to write papers, or you want to learn more about reservoir simulation, especially reservoir simulation for CO2 storage, you can go to opengosim.com and you can contact the team. You can ask them for the access to the installation installer, and I'm sure they are very supportive and they can provide it for you. And let's learn together. So basically, we will perform the simulation. This is the very first video that I make about OGS, OpenGoSim, and let's just jump into running the simulation. We can we can we can check the detail later. For now, I I've installed the software in my computer, and let's see what we can do with this. So you can see, so this is the user interface. We have run p flowtran. So this is the name of this software locally, and later you can read Eclipse output file. If you're quite familiar with Eclipse, you can generate Eclipse output file out of the simulation. And we can see create two-dimensional picture, create three-dimensional display, 2D panel, 3D panel, 2D window, 3D window. So they are more about the post-processing. All right, so now I'm going to run the simulation using the sample case that you can download from OpenGoSim, the website. So here we have dataset, number of processor, version. This is the version pflowtran 1.8. So let's browse the data. So this is the data deck that I'm going to need, ccs_lt.in. So I think in is for include. So I will open that. This is the location for dataset, and I'm going to use CPU cores for the simulation, number of processors 2. And let's just click on submit. All right, so let's wait. So computation ongoing there.